Merry Christmas Eve, Eve, because this is filmed on the eve before Christmas Eve. Hey, this is Jan from New York City. I love to help people keep more of the hard-earned money. You're probably wondering, what on earth are you looking at? You are looking at my version of egg custard. This is a vanilla version, and what you see on the top is ground cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Just saying, just saying. This is a light, custardy, moist, delicious, fast, simple, budget friendly. You could whip this up in less than a half hour. And I'll tell you what to do. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I happen to use a round pan. You could use a square pan, doesn't matter. Here's what you're going to need. 4 whole eggs beaten, 8 ounces of milk. Even the low-fat milk worked, and I happen to just have that, like it was 2% or 1%. But whole milk is perfect. Any milk you have, 8 ounces. 2 to 3 capfuls, I like vanilla, of vanilla extract. You could use real vanilla extract, or if you have imitation, you could also use that. And if you really want, you could also swap it out, if you prefer, with coconut extract, if you want a coconut effect. Okay. Then you need, very, very easy, 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So thus far, we have the eggs, we have the milk, we have the sugar, we have the extract. And also, okay, what I like to do, I take little dots of little bits of either margarine or butter. This is just a choice I make. You don't have to do it. And I just like throw in a couple of dots on the top of the mixture. And then, as you can see, I'm very generous with the yummy cinnamon because I like cinnamon. Now, bake that off at 350 degrees. Oh, first of all, before I forget, I do spray the bottom of the pan with nonstick. Okay, then you enter your mixture. Now, all you have to do is bake this at 350 for 22 minutes. Take it out. Now, if you like it warm, up to you. Take it out, but wait at least a half hour. It'll still be warm. That's the way I like it. You could have it warm. What I'm doing here, I had a little bit of it now. Okay, well, it looks like a lot of it, but it was a little bit. And the remainder, guess what? I'm wrapping up for tomorrow's breakfast. What I like about this, like I'll take half of what you're looking at. That'll be my breakfast. And it's like, think about it, sort of like an egg treat without cooking. It'll be all ready. And then if I want more later on in the day, I take it. This is so delicious. I can't even tell you. I just had to share this with you. And I'm sure anybody watching this can make this. If you do make this treat, let me know in the comment section below. Wishing everybody a happy remainder of their Christmas Eve, the night before the real Christmas Eve. Yeah, have a great one. Take good care now. Bye-bye.